Hey there, so quick overview of MoneyGram app. It's like one of the most popular apps to send money in US. So yeah, here you can just easily create an account. Before even creating an account, you can just estimate what would be the price of sending money. So yeah, here you can just see an overview. You need identification actually to start sending money. So yeah, you need either some driver license, state ID, passport, or US residence permit like green card. And then you can just easily scan it with your phone like that. So yeah, these are the types of documents. Yeah, at the moment, MoneyGram has some partnership with Formula One, and then actually you can access some exclusive content just here in the app. Then yeah, here you can just see some estimator. So I want to send like 1,000 USD, and then the person will receive 918 euro. So then you just have this estimator right in the app. Payment method, you can see credit card, debit card, online bank transfer, receive method, direct to bank account, and then you can just change all of these. Like, do you want it faster, but then you will have higher fees? You want it slower, but then it's almost like free. So here you can see this, like you are sending $1,000, the fees are just $199. And MoneyGram is like one of the pretty cheap apps out there. Then actually you can invite friends, and then you can earn some zero fee transfers. There are some terms to it. And then you can just, so for example, you can just use this code. I just click here. So yeah, just use that code and you will be able to get cheaper transfers. Money plus rewards. So then you can just sign up for free rewards program and earn discounts when you send money. 20% off your second send, applied automatically as a fee discount on your second transaction. 40% off every 6 cent. How would you like to be notified about MoneyGram Plus reward? And then you can just enable that. Basically, that's the idea. You can just also track your recent transaction. So just enter your reference number, your last name, and then you can just say, are you sending or receiving? And then you just say send, you're selecting that, and then you're just tracking that. Of course, if you're sending like cash pickup, that's available almost instantly in other country. If you're sending via bank transfer, like via like debit card, it can take from 1 to 2, 3 business days. So it takes some time, and yeah, sometimes it's just better to track it or know if you send it that someone did pick it up. So it's like pretty handy. You can also just find the location. What is the closest MoneyGram location here to you? So yeah, you can also do that. So yeah, that's basically, you can also do that. And then whatever. So then you can also just pay bills, search for a company to so you can see here some common companies where you can just pay bills. So yeah, that's basically a quick overview what this app is about. You can always reach out to their support. There is live chat where you can just start chat and just ask for their support. So that's basically an overview. Hope that is helpful.